Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, shapes drawing and color page. Kids, first color name, light green color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, red color, brown color, purple color, light pink color, orange color and sky blue color. Kids, shapes drawing, orange color, heart, cloud, circle, cross symbol, cube, pentagon, kids, color pen, heart, light pink color, yellow color, cloud, sky blue color, circle, sky blue color kids, circle, red color kids, cross symbol, light green color kids, cube, purple color kids, pentagon, kids, shapes name repeat, heart, cloud, circle, cross symbol, cube, pentagon. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.